In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Skitch. This is the Skitch app icon. Tap on it one time to open, and you're going to see the sign-in screen. You don't have to sign in, just tap maybe later at the bottom. And you have several options for what kind of document you want to use in Skitch. I'm going to choose a photo. That opens my camera roll, and I'll choose a photo from my camera roll to use. Now you have the toolbar at the bottom, and you can use any of those tools to mark up your picture. The main ones to know about are the arrow, the text, the crop, and the color. So the arrow is at the bottom left. Choose that and then just drag it to point to whatever part of your picture you want to highlight. After you've drawn your arrow on the page, you can tap somewhere in the middle to select it. When you have an object in Skitch selected, you'll see the dashed line around the outside of the object. And in this case, we have blue circles at each end. You can tap on those blue circles to change the position and size of your arrows. So for example, if I tap on the top one, I can pull it around to change what direction it's pointing in. I can also make it shorter by dragging down or up. And I can change the color of the arrow by tapping the color swatch at the bottom and choosing a different color. When you're done, just tap inside the arrow one more time. The next thing I can do is add text. Tap the A, tap on your picture, and type in your text. Again, you can change the size and position of your text box as well. Tap inside of it one time, and this time instead of the blue dots, we've got an arrows inside a circle. Just drag that out to make it bigger. Tap inside of your text to drag it around somewhere else on the picture that you want it. And then when you're done, just tap inside the text one more time. Next, you can crop out elements in the background that you don't want. So if you click on this button on the far right side, that it's like a rectangle that's not closed, choose the section of your picture that you want to include. Everything else will be removed. And if you made a mistake, just tap undo at the top and it will go back to the last version before you made your change. If you liked it and you didn't mean to undo it, just tap redo and it will be back. Skitch also has some pre-formatted buttons that you can use. This last button on the bottom right, tap that one time and it will open up the options that you have, and you can drag and place one of their buttons on your picture also. Over here on the right side of this one that has the A, you tap there and you can add some text. And then you're done. If you don't like that and you want to remove it altogether, there's a delete button on the bottom right you can use, and it will just delete the object that is selected. When you have your picture the way that you want, it's time to send it to your camera roll. Up on the top right corner is the arrow button. Tap that, tap camera roll, and then tap OK.